Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mojito cubes at home, only way. Begin by muddling fresh mint with 2 tablespoons sugar and juice from 1 lime, then add 1 cup water and 1/2 cup white rum or a non-alcoholic substitute. Stir well and pour into ice cube trays, leaving a small gap for expansion. Freeze until solid, then pop cubes out and store in a sealed container for easy cocktails and coolers. In this video, I will explain alcohol and non-alcohol options for mojito cubes. Choose white rum for classic flavor, or use vodka for a neutral spirit that lets mint and lime shine. For mocktails, substitute with water and a splash of club soda, and consider 3 to 4 drops of rum extract if you want aroma without alcohol. Always taste before freezing and adjust sugar or lime so each cube balances sweetness and acidity perfectly. In this video, I will help you store and serve mojito cubes for best results. Once frozen, pop cubes into a labeled freezer bag to prevent freezer burn and keep them fresh for up to 3 months. When serving, add 1 or 2 cubes to a glass, top with soda or sparkling water. Gently stir to release aroma, and finish with a lime wheel and a mint sprig for a fresh, professional touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.